Washington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, northwestern Pickaway County, until 4 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sabina, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Sabina, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Milledgeville, Deer Creek Lake, Derby, Bloomington, Jasper Mills, Reedville, Madison Mills, State Route 207 and U.S. Route 22 and Pancosburg. The tornado warning for northeastern Greene County is canceled.